110 final project, we wanted to make a solar panel that follows the sun, so it's always facing towards the sun. In this diagram here, we are showing the solar panel as the box. We have 3 photoresistors that will help move towards the sun. So the idea is if the sun is pointing directly, if it's in the middle, the voltage across this photoresistor will be the highest. We will use the voltage across the photoresistors to send a voltage to a motor that will turn this. So the idea is if the sun is in the middle, it stays still. If the sun is over here, it'll move to the right. If the sun is over here, it'll move to the left. So in order to do this, we're going to be measuring the voltages across these 3 photoresistors and using op-amp comparator circuits to compare the voltages. So now we go to here, this compares, these are our 3 op-amp comparators. We characterize them depending on which one is the highest. Using these values, we created a truth table seen here to find the combination. Using this combination, we created a K-map to create our final logic, simplified logic, and then this is the final circuit design we'll be using. So using this information here, we went on Multisim and created a working prototype model. We used an LED right here that turns on and off depending on if the motor should be moving or stopped. Then once we had this, we created this circuit right here. It includes a MOSFET to control our wheel, and it contains our inverter and OR chip. So we can measure the voltage across the MOSFET drain to see the light, to see the movement of the motor. So we're going to plug this in, flash a light, and then we're going to show you the oscilloscope reading over there. So it's plugged in now. As you see, if I move it, it'll follow it. And if you look at the oscilloscope, you see it spiked up as it moves. Now we're going to have the light follow some more. And then it'll move some more. So the one main problem we have with our circuit is, as you can see, it only moves in one direction. So the wire will get tangled as it continues to move. Right now it's moving based on the ambient light from the ceiling, opposed to the light here. But because of the way we designed this, this will work in any light conditions, not just conditions we set beforehand.